Incoming naughtiness.
Hello. I have a... Wait. I've got ammo if you want. I've got ammo. Oh.
There's a guy over here.
No, the guy is my
Why is he aiming a gun?
friend. Come on. I've got ammo.
Yeah, sure you have. Go fuck yourself. Get fucked! Sorry, boys. Have you got ammo for me? Have you got ammo for me, boys? Hi, dude. You're friendly. Thanks. I just killed you and your friend. Come and look. Come and look at your dead bodies. Come on. Come look at them. Come look at what happened when you died. It's really funny. It's over here.
Hello.
You got shot to death over here. And your mate died as well. That's funny, right?
You are fucking crazy.
Fun times.
How the hell can you run faster than me?
Because you've got your pistol out, I told you. There we go. I feel like with you in all green and me in all red, we need a blue guy to come and kill us both.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, the Chainsaw Man had a Makarov as well. Oh dear.